now we're going to show how to add some flashing either to a block or eventually a window after we trim it out. So you come to the block, you'll measure it, put your tape on, you'll see that the block is 5 3/8 long. We'll come over to our table with our flashing. We'll grab our tape. We're gonna mark a 1/4 inch. We're gonna take our square, line it up, straighten that out, make that mark. We're gonna take our snips, we're gonna cut that straight like that. And then on this side, we're gonna do a nice 45. Cut that off. Grab our benders, go all the way to the back side, go to the line, bend that up and over, clamp that down, make sure everything is nice and straight. And then our measurement was 5 3/8, so we'll butt our tape into that. We'll mark 5 3/8, and then we'll add another 1/4 at 5 5/8. Square that across right there. Square that across right there, and on this back side, we'll grab the metal, grab our snips, cut this line all the way down, cut this other line all the way across till we have what we had on the other side. Then we'll cut this straight again, cut this at a 45-degree angle, cut that off, grab our benders, bend that up, clamp that down, make sure everything's nice and straight. So our block is 5 3/8, so in between we have 5 3/8. Now we'll grab this flashing, we'll come over here, we'll grab our knife, we'll go a 1/2 inch above the block, go about 1 inch past on each side, take our metal, slide it underneath the paper, make sure it's nice and flush on each side, and if the flashing has a slight angle, grab your nailer, nail halfway up, one side, other side, make sure our flashing is nice and good.